Hey! In front of me is Motorola Moto E20 and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard on this Motorola. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down. Now choose System, Languages and Input and on-screen keyboard. Over here tap on Keyboard and go into Theme. Now you need to choose this plus sign under My Themes and select the photo that you want to apply. Now pinch it to scale, drag it to move and choose Next. After that, adjust brightness by swiping left or right and tap on Done. Then you can switch on or off key borders by clicking on the switcher over here, and when you're ready, select Apply. Then, when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!